There's a vault back here, guys.
He sounds like he's mutating.
No, this isn't a vault, never mind.
There's one here.
Do we want to go through the vault?
I'm sweating. I just fell all over my knee. My fucking knee.
I'm gonna fucking kill him.